Good morning students. In previous video we have completed lesson number 1 when Amma went to school a warm up exercise. हमने क्या complete किया था? Warm up exercise complete किया था. Today I am going to explain you this lesson. Let's start. Page number 7. Lesson number 1 when Amma went to school. Let's start. Tell me kids, what do you mean by Amma? Amma means a form of addressing a mother. A form of addressing a mother. How do we call to our mothers? We call Amma, we call Mom, we call Mummy, otherwise I, Ma and Ammi. In this type we call our mothers. Same way here in this story the girl calls her mother as Amma. She calls her mother as Amma. Let's start. Read. Meera, I went to your school today, Amma tells. So, who is there in our story? Mother, that is Amma, and the girl Meera. क्या नाम है girl का? Meera. Amma tells Meera, I went to your school today. So, कहाँ गई थी अम्मा? मीरा के स्कूल गई थी, right? Really? Ask Meera. The gate was wide open and the watchman was missing, says Amma in a worried tone. So in the story, what Amma says? That today I went to your school Meera, but the gate was wide open. Gate पूरा open खुला था and watchman was also missing. Watchman uncle थे क्या वहाँ पर? No. Oh, our teacher had screamed. So the watchman had to come to our classroom to find out why, replies Meera. So what answer Meera gave here? She says, yes, today our teacher had screamed. Screamed means she shouted loudly. Who? The teacher shouted loudly. So watchman has to come from the gate to the classroom to find out why teacher had shouted so loudly. Why did she scream? Why did your teacher scream? Ask Amma. Now who is asking? Amma is asking to Meera, why did your teacher scream? क्यों वो इतना जोर से चिल्लाए थे? Kids, turn your page. The next page of your book, page number 8. So, what did Amma asked? Why did your teacher scream? Your teacher, why did she scream so loudly so that watchman had to run and come? क्यों चिल्लाए थे टीचर इतना जोर से? You see. Now who is saying? Meera. मीरा ने कैसे स्टार्ट किया? You see means she is beginning with her story. आज जो स्कूल में हुआ था, she started telling to her mother. You see, Rohan had brought a snake from the zoo, begins Meera. So how did Meera started? You see, Rohan had brought a snake from the zoo. रोहन ने क्या लाया था? स्नेक लाया था. Kids, have you seen a snake? स्नेक कैसा होता है देखा है क्या आपने? It's too dangerous, right? उसको देख के तो बहुत डर लगता है. Then she says कि आज रोहन ने जू से एक स्नेक लेकर आया था. And the snake ate his mouse and settled under the teacher's chair for a nap. So what did Meera said? That today Rohan bought a snake from the zoo. And his snake had eaten his mouse also. उसके snake ने उसी के रोहन के mouse को खा लिया. And where did he settle? He settled under the teacher's chair for a nap. Nap means for a sleep. Rohan began to cry because he could neither find his mouse nor the snake. And who was crying in the class? Rohan. उसका स्नेक एज वेल एज उसका माउस दोनों क्या हो गए? गुम हो गए. ही कैन नॉट फाइंड देम. देन द टीचर स्पॉटेड द स्नेक अंडर द चेयर एंड स्क्रीम्ड. एंड ऑल ऑफ सडन टीचर ने क्या देखा? स्नेक को देखा अंडर द चेयर. एंड शी शाउटेड लाउडली. शी स्क्रीम्ड लाउडली. बट आई वेंट टू योर क्लासरूम एंड इट वॉज एम्प्टी, सेज अम्मा. सो अम्मा ने क्या रिप्लाई दिया? But when I went to your classroom, it was empty. जब मैं गई थी तब तो तुम्हारा क्लास empty था. There were no one in the class. Meera looks at her mother and says, we were all hiding in the staff room because Rohan's snake was in our classroom. So what Meera replied to her mother? Yeah, Mama, हमारा classroom तो empty था. Why? Because we were hiding in the staff room. कहाँ जाकर छिप गए थे? In the staff room. Because Rohan's snake was there in the classroom. Amma gets upset and says, but when I went to staff room, it was empty too. But Amma जब staff room में गई थी check करने के लिए, the staff room was also empty. It means there was no one. That's because we had to run to the principal's office because Rohan's snake followed us to the staff room, replies Meera in a calm tone. Now what did Meera reply? Yes, staff room भी empty था. Why? Because we all had run to the principal's office. क्यों? Because Rohan snake was following us. जिधर जिधर क्लासरूम जा रहा था वैसे ही स्नेक भी ऐसे जा रहा था उनके पीछे. Snake was following the students. Amma gets angry, stands up, looks down at Meera and says, now अम्मा को गुस्सा आ गया. अम्मा खड़ी हो गई and she said, the principal's office too was empty when I went looking for him. Then what did mother answered? What did Amma answered? Principal office was also empty. Meera stands up too and looks up at her mother and replies, we couldn't stay there. Meera ने क्या कहा? She stand up and said, Mummy, Amma, we couldn't stay there also. And pray, tell me why. Amma asked. So अम्मा ने क्या पूछा? अब वहाँ पर क्यों नहीं रुकी? वहाँ से भी क्यों चले गए थे? Rohan snake was looking for him and followed us to the principal's office too. रोहन का स्नेक रोहन के पीछे पीछे प्रिंसिपल ऑफिस तक भी आ गया. He was looking for the Rohan. रोहन का स्नेक किसे ढूंढ रहा था? To Rohan. And he followed them to the principal's office. So we went to the school terrace and stayed there until the school bell rang, replies Meera. So finally, where did Meera and her friends and teacher went? They went to the school terrace. और वो school छूटने तक till the school bell rang, they were staying on the terrace only. Amma says, and I waited and waited in your school all alone. And Amma, she was keep waiting alone. Meera hugs her Amma and says, Students, hugs का मतलब क्या है? मीरा झट से अपने अम्मा को इसे टाइटली गले लगाती है. Not all alone, Amma. You had the snake company, remember. So, what did Meera says? Amma, you was not alone. You was having snake as a company. The snake, says Amma, falling back on the sofa with a thump. And what did Amma says? Oh, the snake. And she sits down with a thump. What do you mean by thump? It means the sound of something heavy falling. ऐसे जोर से बैठ गए सोफे पर. Okay? So kids, here we are ending up with our lesson. Remember what you have to do? You have to read this lesson. Okay? Kids, have you noticed how many frequently used words we have learnt here? Like you, begins, and, for, he, could, then, under. कितने सारे frequently used words use किए हमने, right? So you have to read this lesson and understand once again. Okay? In next video we will be completing its exercise. Till that, keep reading. Bye bye.